To add Rakuten to Gmail, you will need to follow a series of steps that will allow you to integrate your Rakuten account with your Gmail account. This will enable you to access and manage your Rakuten rewards and cashback earnings directly from your Gmail inbox. First, you need to have a Rakuten account and a Gmail account. If you do not have either of these accounts, you will need to sign up for them before proceeding. Once you have both accounts, you can start the integration process. The first step is to log into your Gmail account and click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear icon. From the drop-down menu, select the See All Settings option. This will take you to the Gmail settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Gmail account. Next, click on the Accounts and Import tab, and then click on the Add a Mail Account link. This will prompt you to enter the email address of the account you want to add, which in this case is your Rakuten email address. Enter your Rakuten email address and click on the Next button. You will then be prompted to enter your Rakuten account password. Enter your password and click on the Next button. Gmail will then verify your Rakuten account credentials and add your Rakuten account to your Gmail account. Once your Rakuten account has been added, you can access your Rakuten rewards and cashback earnings directly from your Gmail inbox. You can also use the Rakuten extension for Gmail, which will allow you to earn cash back on your purchases and access your Rakuten account with just one click. To install the Rakuten extension for Gmail, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Rakuten. Click on the Rakuten extension and then click on the Add to Chrome button. This will install the Rakuten extension on your Chrome browser, and you will be able to access your Rakuten account and earn cash back on your purchases directly from your Gmail inbox. In conclusion, adding Rakuten to Gmail is a straightforward process that requires you to have a Rakuten account and a Gmail account. By following the steps outlined above, you can integrate your Rakuten account with your Gmail account and access your Rakuten rewards and cashback earnings directly from your Gmail inbox. This will enable you to earn cash back on your purchases and manage your Rakuten account with ease.